Okay, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you another easy method to promote Clickbank products and get you some sales for your affiliate products, all right? And I'm about to get you started on that here right now. Alright, guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said earlier, I'm going to show you another method that you can use to promote your Clickbank affiliate products. And you can start doing this today, as soon as right now. Alrighty, guys. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been to my videos or to my channel and you still have not yet subscribed to the channel, by God, I don't know what's holding you. Reach back down there at the subscribe button and click the subscribe button, and make sure you click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here at this channel. Alrighty, guys. Alright, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started into this method here. It's a very simple method using a classified ad site that gets a really pretty good traffic, about 90,000 visitors a month. It's not a real high, but around 100,000 visitors a month. Okay? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is come over here, and we're going to click on our Opera browser here. And the first thing you'll want to do, of course, is to come to Clickbank, right? If you don't have a Clickbank account, it's just simple enough to click Create Account here, and then you just sign up right here and go through their little application here and sign up and get yourself a username and on the site, and then you can start promoting Clickbank products, right? So, and then you want to log in. They'll probably send you an email verification to log in, and then just do that and come on over. And then you want to click on, once you get logged in, click on Affiliate Marketplace. And now I'm not going to log into my account because I already know what my username or affiliate ID is, so it'll work without that. Now, so what you're going to do is you click on Marketplace, and it brings you over here to this page here, and you see all the categories. Now, let me tell you right here at the outset, guys, that you want to stick around and watch this whole video so you can see how I'm going to do this step by step for you, so show you how easy this is. Now, you can do this in any niche that you want to do this with. It doesn't matter. As you can see, they've got niches from arts and entertainment clear down to travel and everything in between, and you can do it with any niche. Now, I'm going to do it with the spirituality niche down here that you see. So basically, you just click on that, and it brings you over here, and you see the top product here based on gravity. It's this product selling very well at 214 gravity here, which means it's a lot of people selling this successfully on the internet. And it's the 2019 new Manifestation Magic mega hit, generates massive EPCs. Alright, so this is, if we click on this, this shows you the sales letter or the sales page. The VSL is called a video sales letter, and then they can click play on this and watch this, and then there'll be a link to purchase that'll show up down here below the video after it gets close to running. Alright, and then on this also, so we can also click on the affiliate link here, which is this link right here for this product, and it brings me over here to this page right here, which is the affiliate product page. And if you'll notice up here on these the bar here at the top of the menu, they've got quite a few tools that you can use to promote this particular product. Again, this can be done with any product of your choice. And so then what we're going to do, now that I've chosen my product, what I'm going to do is come over to this classified ad site right here. And you'll notice right off the bat, the cool thing about this particular classified ad site is there's no sign up, or there's no register, and there's no sign in. You just simply post an ad on here, and it'll run from anywhere from 90 to 100 days. So 3 months to 3 months and 2 weeks, somewhere around in that range. So that's the nice thing about this Ads River. It's called Ads River. If you look up here in the address bar, adsriver.com. See that? Come over to this site. Now this is the really cool thing about it. You don't have to sign in. All you got to do is click on post an ad, and if you'll see here, they have categories from A clear to Z down here. I mean, it's just everything. They've got all kinds of categories that you can post an ad into, and other people, of course, can come here and read ads and purchase things right off of this classified ad site, which they've got quite a bit of traffic. As you can see, these numbers next to here is all the different ads that are posted and so on and so forth. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on post an ad. All right, so if I click post an ad here, then it brings us up, select which city. Well, this is actually countries, guys. It's countries here, not cities like it says here. I've found that the top 10 countries right here are the ones with the most traffic. From USA down to about India are the ones that have the most traffic in it. So you guys, the name of this game is the more you post, the more classifieds you post, and you can post unlimited classifieds onto this site. Okay, so the more ads you post for the particular product or products that you choose off of Clickbank, the more the chance for sales, right? So it's a numbers game. The more numbers, the better the chance to make money with this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Now I'm going to pick, for mine, I'm going to pick India here. Okay, so I'm going to pick in India as my area that I want this to be posted in. Alright, and then it says select a category to post to, right? So I'm going to post in the health and beauty category here for my manifestation product that I chose, right? And then here, it says pick a subcategory. Now, this manifestation could probably go into a few, like weight loss, miscellaneous, maybe beauty, maybe and other health ads, something like that. So there's a few, but I'm going to put it in the miscellaneous subcategory here. So if I click on that, you can see here I chose India, health and beauty, miscellaneous, right? And then it says here, it says your ad will be displayed for 90 days. Some of these are up to 100 days as well. Alright, so what we're going to do now, how am I going to do this? I'm going to show you guys how to do this where you don't have to write the articles yourself or write the ad yourself, okay? So what I'm going to do is come over here to another classified ad site right here called the Free Ad Forum Classifieds. You can do this, or you can go to any other classified site that you want. And then I came here and they had a search engine, and if you notice, I typed in their search engine manifestation, because that's what this product is about. It's about manifestation, right? It's a law of attraction manifestation product. So I typed in here manifestation, and I found this article here, or this ad I should say, that someone else has posted. So that I don't have to write the same or write an article or ad myself. This is how you do this. There's nothing wrong with coming over and finding another ad that someone else wrote and then just copying and pasting what they have, right? So I'm going to take this title right here, if it'll let me. There we go. I'm going to take this title and copy it and bring that back over here, and then I'm just going to paste it right into the title there. Okay, so there you go. Now you don't have to search for it anymore. It's here. Of course, the location, since I chose India, I'm going to put India in here for location. Now for the body of the ad, I'll come back, and then I'm just going to copy this article or this ad that this person wrote here. Okay, just going to copy it down to about right here, this point right here. Copy that, bring it back over here, post it in, paste it in here in my post. Okay, and then we'll sort of try to straighten it up just a little bit here. Make it look a little bit nicer. You can do this with yours too. Sort of take some of those spaces away there so they're not so spaced apart. And then, so we have the ad in there. Okay, now at the bottom of the ad here, we're going to put down here our affiliate link, right? So I'm going to come back over here, and it says, please visit our website here. And I'll just copy that link right there. Okay, bring that back over to my classified, and I'm going to paste that right in there. Alright, and then our affiliate link is going to go right beside that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me zoom in a little bit here for you. You see that there? Let's bring it down, try to zoom in a little bit more here. There you go. You can see it right there. It's where we posted in. And then we're going to put our affiliate link right next to where it says, please visit our website. Okay? Alright, so then we'll come back to Clickbank, and this is our product right here. We can make about $40 per sale, roughly $39.24, and we're going to click on promote. That opens that up, and my affiliate link or affiliate nickname or account nickname is already there, and I'm just going to click on generate hop link. That gives me my link right here, and I'll just copy it. And then what I'm going to do, so it's not that ugly Clickbank link, you know, I'm going to go over to bit.ly.com. You guys are familiar with Bitly, right? bitly.com. And we'll shorten that link up and make it look better. So if I paste my link in there, and then just come over here and click on the shorten button, it should shorten it up, and yeah, it gives us a little bit better looking link right here, see? Now, if you want, you can go ahead and put the full Clickbank link in there. I see a lot of people doing that. I suppose it doesn't matter, but it seems to me that people would rather click on a link that looks pretty good. You know, it's a nice looking link. So we're going to bring that over, and we're going to paste that link right here into our ad, right there. And then at that point, and it gives us a preview down here as we're created, and you see that our link is live. So if I click on it and open it up just to test it out, right, and we see that it brings us over to the video sales page right here. So, but the only thing is it has my account nickname involved in this link. So if somebody purchases this product, which you can see it's already down here, the link to do that, I'll make $34 off of this purchase. All right. So close that out. We got that there. Now you can put it. Got to put your email in here. So I'm just going to put my one of my emails in here, and I'm going to check the little dot here. Do not display my email, because I don't necessarily need to be contacted by anybody from this ad. Okay. Now we can upload a picture too, which I recommend you do. It's articles or ads with pictures get more views. Okay. So what I'm going to do is come back here to the affiliate page, and I'm going to click on product images, which whatever product you guys choose in Clickbank, they'll probably have images as well. And I'm going to click on this link here, and I'm going to save it to my hard drive. And we'll put that in, we'll just stick it in pictures here. Alright, and then save it. And that should download it. We see up here it did. And then if I click on show it in the folder, it should show it right there. It is. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll come back to our article. Click on choose a file to upload a picture. Opens it up, and let's see here. Make sure we're on the right one. And there it is right there. So if we click on that, and it should have, yeah, it's got it set to upload right there. Twilight Sleep PNG. And then you can check this box if you want people to contact you by email. You can check this box here, and then make sure you check the box down here that says I agree to the terms of use by making a post here. Alright, and then we'll click post now. Our ad is ready. and then it's going to send a verification email to you that you need to check on. Okay, so I'm going to open up my email program and see if that verification email has come through this quick. A lot of times it doesn't necessarily come this quick, but we'll see. Yes, it did. Looks like right here. Alright, so what we'll do is it wants us to click this link here, but I'm just going to copy the link address or link location and bring that back over to my browser here. And then I'll just open up a new tab, paste that in there, and paste and go. And you see that email has been verified. Thank you for verifying your email address. Your ad will now show up on the site, and you can view your post right here. So we click on that, we can see it right here. See there? There's the ad that I just posted. It says now you don't have to search for it anymore. It's here in India. And if you're happy with this, has the most incredible luck of all time. This is for you, and you can visit the website right there. And if they click on that, when there's the picture, and it does take us over to the video sales page with our affiliate ID in there, and if they purchase, we make sales. So you see, guys, that's a way right there that you can make money off of Ads River Classifieds, and it's recommended to post as much as you can. The more you post, remember I told you earlier, it's a numbers game. The more you post, the more opportunity to make money that you get on this site, and you can also do it on plenty of other classified sites too. Remember, where it comes to classifieds, it's a numbers game. The higher the number of ads you post, the more chances you have to make sales, and it's a consistent thing. You got to be consistent with it. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's what I had for you guys today. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Reach down and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and got some value out of it. Also, if you want to get out of your 9-to-5 job, or you want to stop messing around with these low ticket affiliate offers from like Clickbank, and you want to make high ticket sales, click that link down there in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and check out my high ticket sales business, where you can get involved and have your own online business up in 15 days or less for the price of a cup of Starbucks, and be making anywhere from $300 to $4,000 per day. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you guys go with that. Check that out, and I'll see you again here in a couple days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.